Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to work on the 1394 here tonight. Got a few things to take care of. I'm going to work on taking the fuel tanks off, I think, and I'm not sure what else, but I'm just going to put you guys up in the corner here on a time lapse, and you can just kind of watch me work, I guess. Well, it's been a couple of days since I did the last clip here, but my jack stands have come in. You can see them right there. So we're gonna work on taking the tires and rims off of this thing. We're gonna roll them outside. So we got the jack set up here. We're gonna start on this side and just work our way towards the front, I guess. So I already got the stands on the front too. I'll show you guys that. Hopefully you can see, maybe. Yes, you can. So same stands we use when we split the tractor. I'm a little bit concerned they're a bit too far back, but we'll just have to try it. Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem, but famous last words, I guess. They're not too bad to break loose, I think. I'm not sure, but I think they had the wheels off when they painted them. Looks like they were apart. So, yeah, I'll jack her up a little bit. Alright, we got one off. Got it rolled outside here. Right there. So, I just let the jack down, let the jack stand, take the weight, and we'll move on to this side. I forgot to turn the camera on, we're rolling it out. Maybe I'll remember next time, but anyway. Pretty much a repeat of the same thing, removing these nuts on the other side, and hauled it here.
Zero. Oh, let's follow over. He's follow over. Nobody's gonna pick it up again. Okay, turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Hold right there. I don't like to be on there. Good job. No. You still get through the door?
Yeah, still get through the door.
Get away.
Alright, that's the two of them. Two tires off. It's supported by the jack stands. I think it'll be alright. Like that. Feels pretty solid. And yeah, so there's the tires outside. Right there. So maybe next fine day we'll drain the fluid out of them, power wash them, I guess, and should be ready for sandblasting. So now we're going to move on to these front tires. Yeah, I got the jack stands under there, not the jack stands, but the trailer jacks that I modified for when I split the tractor. So I think I should be able to jack them up and it'll take the weight off the front tires. I'm hoping it won't kind of cantilever it or whatever and lift the back with no tires on, but we'll just have to watch it. We'll start lifting a little bit and just watch the back end, make sure it's not, lifting up on the jack stands at all, because that wouldn't be very good. I don't think it's going to do that, but I don't know, you just never know. So anyway, I'll meet you guys back here when we get the front two off, I guess. There's no sense dragging this out any further. Well, I started jacking it up, and exactly what I thought might happen happened. It's taking the weight off of the stands. They're just loose. So I was hoping there was going to be enough weight on the back end that it wouldn't try to pick up the back instead of the front, but obviously that's not the case. So we'll have to let it back down. Might as well remove these stands because they're not going to work anyway. And we'll just have to jack up the front and put blocks or stands or something under the front axle, which isn't a big deal. Just kind of eats up a little bit of time. But anyway, it was worth a shot. I know before with the loaded tires on the back, it would lift the front end up no problem, but yeah, with the tires removed, it definitely takes a lot of weight off the back. So yeah, well, we'll make it happen. Well, we got all four tires off at the front end here on jack stands too. I'm not really thrilled with that. Might figure out if we can find a couple more blocks around and adjust that a bit. Get those jack stands supported a little bit better, or I might pick up another couple bigger ones like are on the back and just put them under the front too. It might be the best thing to do. But anyway, it's alright for now. It's solid, like it's not going to go anywhere, I don't think. We just won't spend too much time laying underneath it right now. So anyway, a few things at the back here. Looks like these here have been off before. There's silicone there. So we're going to pull those off anyway. I'm going to get either get new seals or make new gaskets, actually is what they are. To put back on there. We're cleaning out all the old gear lube and that should be in there. I noticed we did, I think I blew this off when I was pressure washing it, and maybe it'll focus. There's a cap that's supposed to be there, so I'll have to address that. I don't think there's a bit of old like dirt and stuff there, but I don't think anything's leaking other than right here where that grease popped out. So anyway, everything looks pretty good. We don't have a whole lot of work to do, I don't think, to the chassis. Just those few little things I mentioned. We're going to put new wheel cylinders there. I'm going to see if I can find another cover for that, because that one's a little bit pitted and whatnot. It's a little ugly looking. Maybe if you'll focus. There we go. Anyway, we can work with that, but if I can find another one, I will. We got the wheel cylinders and stuff in there, or the slave cylinders for the brakes. So we're going to have to fix those, or replace them actually. And there's a few other little things here and there. This here, whatever bracket is supposed to be on the end of that ugly looking thing, we'll have to see if we can get one of those. This tube actually should be here early next week, I believe. So we'll be able to replace that. And other than that, I mean, there's not a whole lot to be done. We're going to remove this block. I think I mentioned all this before, but we're going to move this block, and I'm going to hopefully find 2 more valve bodies to put on there. So we have 3 spools, the option to go to 3 spools at least. And yeah, just a little tidying up stuff on it. I got to get the fuel tanks and stuff for it. but that'll be later on. I got this fuel tank is off now. Dad helped me with that, or actually Dad did it, I should say. Super Dave. So we got that off. I got to take this support off here, and of course this gear shift. I got to figure out that. I got to take that off, I guess. And yeah, just pick away at it. Anyway, guys, I guess I'll cut the video off right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.